Are you like me wherein I have a lot of thoughts in my head and I can't really summarize what's going on inside it? I want to make sure or I want to have an outline or an output on what the thoughts in my head are really are. If you're like me, so this AI could help you also. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put voice notes to articles with Flipner AI. Right now, this should be the landing page of Flipner AI, and with this one, this should be what you're seeing also on your end. Basically, if you're ready to create an account and log in, click on that try for free, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is what inside the Flipner AI. This is basically the platform inside it. And you can see on the left side, we have a lot of things going on, some text, some titles, even some audios are right here. So basically, right, this one, if you're not really familiar on how to use it, I'm going to teach you how from the basics. So the first thing you want to do, let me just delete this one so you can really catch up from step one. So on the left side, these are pre-made templates. Actually, they're guides. So what is Flipner AI? Flipner AI is an intelligent voice-to-text tool and content hub that turns audio snippets into ready-to-publish articles, serving as quick assistant for writing. So an AI was created to help writers or even every individual who are having a hard time compiling whatever the thoughts are, making sure that they're only one thought and not a bunch of misorganized thoughts. So this AI can help us called Flipner. So get started with this one. Click on the create text column and you'll see you'll have an input language. You have English, Arabic, Armenian, and so much more. I'm gonna go for English for this one. And for output, I think this is only available for the free plan is English. We're going to discuss the pricing at the last part of the video. Anyway, for the writing style, we have so much here. I think for the best solution here, the best and simpler is simple and clear. But if you want it to be more academic, of course, go for academic. But personal suggestion, guys, I'm going to go with simple and clear. And once you're here, simply click on create. And now we're going to add a snippet. So snippet can be a lot of things, maybe a live audio, text snippet, audio file, and subtitle. Now for the text snippet with this one, before it was called text to audio or text input. Right now we call it text snippet. And if you see right here, I'm gonna type in whatever in my head, just a random thought. And I want just disclaimer with you guys that I just want to let you know, you don't have to be grammatically correct for this one. Write every gibberish or anything you have in the mind here, and the Flipner AI will help you get it straight. Now let's try writing some jumbled words here. For example, AI, robots, something like that. World of AI. And then for this one, I want it to be assistant. I think that can help me with my work. As you can see right here, these are really, doesn't make sense, right? So if I'm satisfied with this one, I'm gonna click on action right now. And I make sure I have English and the writing style is right there. And then click on summarize. So as you can see right there, please add at least one snippet to text. So we want to make sure we need to add a snippet first. And once that's done, click on action, go for summarize. Right now it's currently summarizing the creation process. And now with that, this is what we have. Again, this is only simple and clear. If you want it to be more longer, a bit more on the academic side, of course, choose academic. And click on rewrite. If you're not satisfied with your result, you can change the writing style. You can rewrite the mode as it is for the last text or from the previous snippets. Now, if you're satisfied with this one, for example, this one right here, you can save it like so. Now for some example, let's try some more here. I'm gonna compile some stuff here. I'm gonna type in world of AI, click on add a snippet. Now, for example, I have another thought for another day. I'm going to type with this one, working assistant, something like that, or something like this. Now, how about this one? I'm going to change mine to academic and click on view summarize. So it's going to summarize everything I have here, make sure everything is good, click on rewrite, and it's now creating a new output for me. Again, if you're satisfied or you want to change your writing style, it's going to be on these options right there. So these are the new ones. Everything is good here. Everything has been changed. This is the new output, by the way, guys. So in the realm of artificial intelligence or AI, etc, etc. I'm gonna click on save right there to use it for future purposes. Now for some reason you want to add another way of inputting your thoughts in Flipner AI, not just by text. For example, you want to use a live audio or audio file. If I click on that one right now, as you can see, it's currently capturing whatever I'm seeing. Now if I click on stop right now, it will capture whatever I'm saying right now. Even though it doesn't make sense, it will create an output. So let me just cancel this one right there so we won't have any waste of time. And you can also add some audio file. So as you can see right there, we have found the limits of the free plan. So the audio file, and I'm pretty sure the subtitle is for the free plan, or rather the paid plan also. So that being said, if you want to check the pricing as of now, go to this tab right here, and then we're gonna have a lot of options. For the standard, it's $15 per month. For the pro version, it is $40. So just to wrap things up, the Flipner AI really helps you with your thoughts, gives you a final output whenever you're saying. Imagine this as your diary. A diary with an AI that helps you straight up your thoughts there. So just for the sake of discussion, let's try one more sample. For this one, I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to create a new column. I'm going to make sure that this is in the legal or journalistic side. Click on create. I'm going to add a snippet. World of AI. Something like that. Add a snippet and make sure this is summarized. So with that, this is going to be it. The universal artificial intelligence. If I'm not satisfied, I can change it to a different one. How about academic, or I'm gonna go with this one, narrative. Rewrite right there. So welcome back to the video. As you can see right here, narrative is on much more, a lot of words basically. So that is gonna be it. So if you're satisfied, again, click on save and you have it on your save files. Again guys, that's how you use Flipner AI. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.